Hello and welcome to Audax. This is a quick introduction on our 21 body-worn video camera. First things first, let's talk about some of those buttons and get you up and running. The first main button on the front of the camera is the main record button. If you've already got the camera turned on, then pressing that button is going to start and stop recording. If the camera's turned off, you can actually push and hold that button for 3 seconds to start recording even for when the camera's turned off. To turn the camera on without recording, we're going to look at the right-hand side of the camera. And down the bottom, we've got our power button. By pushing and holding that one, you're going to be able to turn the camera on or off. Above from that is the photograph button. It's got a little picture of a camera on it, and if you tap that button, you're going to be able to take a photograph. If you push and hold that button, you're going to be able to start a live stream if your camera is set up to do so. At the very top, there's an SOS button, and if you push and hold that button whilst set up for live streaming, you're actually going to send an SOS command back to our CMS software. Now let's move on to the left-hand side, and the first button down the bottom is the IR button. IR stands for infrared, and your camera can be set up to automatically turn its infrared lights on when you enter a dark environment. However, if yours is set to manual, you can operate it by pressing that button. The next one up from that is the audio button, and when you tap this button, you're going to start an audio recording, just in case you want an audio without video. Up from that, we have our USB rubber gasket, and if you open that, you're going to find your USB socket, not only for charging your camera if you don't have a docking station handy, but also if you wanted to update settings via Cam Manager, or even connect it to any other of our Audax softwares. Next to the USB socket, there's a little pinhole reset button. Now, if your camera does ever stop operating, you can press this button to force restart the camera, just so you've always got it ready to go. On the back of the camera, there's a 2-inch screen with 4 buttons. By using those buttons, you can get access to the camera, and you can change any settings you want on the go, even if you're not near an Audax docking station with Cam Manager installed. On the screen, you're going to see what storage available you have, along with what connectivity options you have set up, and your user ID and camera ID too. On top of the camera, there are 4 LEDs. We've got a green one showing when the camera's turned on, a blue one showing when the camera is charging. That one's going to turn off when the camera's fully charged. Then you have a red one, which is going to flash slowly when the camera's pre-recording, be solid when the camera is recording, and then flash fast when the camera is post-recording. The final one is a white LED, and that one's going to flash when the camera is set up for live streaming, but isn't streaming. When that light is solid, it's going to tell you that the camera is streaming. As with all Audax cameras, this one is also compatible with click-fast clips, meaning you can attach it to yourself or anything around you when you need to. If you would like to find out more, or if you need some support, please email us at support@audaxuk.com. Thanks for watching, and remember, always safer with Audax.